Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Ecwid store to Printify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid store right here at ecwid.com if not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the main page you can get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started connecting to Printify. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. You want to go into the apps section. So by clicking the app section, you can open up the app market. You want to open up this app market where we can find all the apps that we can get started with using for our Ecwid store. And in the upper left corner, you're going to have a search bar. So what you want to do guys, you want to go ahead and use the search bar right here and search for Printify. So as you can see, after searching for Printify guys, it's going to go ahead and give us this option right here to open up this application, which is called integration with Printify. This is the application that's going to enable you to integrate with Printify. So you can see, after upgrading your plan to a premium plan that supports applications, you can install it from here directly. So by installing it guys, you can see you can sync your Printify products in your store in one click, and it's easy as that. So after adding your application, you can find it in your My App section and you can get started with using it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.